Salina, Class 10, Chapter 15, Similarities. Sum number 7. In the figure given below, AB, CD, EF are parallel lines. Given AB 7.5 cm, DC equal to y cm, EF equal to 4.5 cm, BC, X and CE 3 cm. Calculate the value of X and Y. In triangle DEF, since CD is parallel to EF, BD upon DF is equal to BC upon CE. BD upon DF equal to X upon 3. In triangle AFB, DC is parallel to AB. Therefore, FD upon FB is equal to CD upon AB. Just interchange this two number. FD upon CD equal to FB upon AB. FB is FD plus DB, which is X plus 3. FD y 3 CD y equal to X plus 3 upon 7.5. Let this be equation 1. In triangle BFE, BC upon BE is equal to CD upon EF. BC upon CD is equal to BE upon EF. BE is BC plus CE. X plus 3. BC is X, CD, Y, X plus 3 upon EF 4.5. Let that be equation 2. Substitute 2 in 1, we get here Y is equal to 4.5x upon X plus 3. So Y equal to this we will substitute in equation 1. We get 3 upon 4.5x upon 3x plus 3 is equal to X plus 3 upon 7.5. Therefore, 3x plus 9 upon 4.5x equal to X plus 3 upon 7.5. Cross multiply, we get 22.5x plus 67.5 equal to 4.5x square plus 13.5x. Okay, taking this term to the right hand side, we get 4.5x square plus 13.5x minus 22.5x minus 67.5 equal to 0, which is equal to divide by 4.5 on all the sides. We get x square minus 2x minus 15 equal to 0. Minus 15 split into two terms such that its addition is minus 2 and multiplication is minus 15. Minus 5 plus 3. X minus 5 into x plus 3 equal to 0. X equal to 5 or x equal to minus 3. Since side of triangle cannot be negative, x equal to 5. Substitute the value in 2, we get y equal to 4.5 into 5 upon x plus 5 equal to 5 plus 3 equal to 2.8125. Hence, x equal to 5, y equal to 2.8125. Sum number 8. In the figure given below, triangle PQR is a right angle triangle at right angle at Q. XY is parallel to QR. PQ 6 cm, PY 4 cm, PX upon XQ is 1:2. Calculate the length of PR and QR. Given PX upon XQ equal to 1/2 and XY is parallel to QR. We get therefore PX upon XQ is equal to PY upon YR equal to 1/2. Py is 4 cm, Therefore, YR is 8 centimeter. Hence, PR equal to 4 plus 8, 12 centimeter. Since triangle PQR is a right angle triangle, by Pythagoras theorem, QR square equal to PR square minus PQ square equal to 12 square minus 6 square equal to 144 minus 36. QR square equal to 108. QR equal to 10.39 centimeters. Sum number 9. In the following figure, M is the midpoint of side BC of a parallelogram ABCD. DM is intersects diagonal AC at P and produce at AB meets at E. Prove that PE is equal to twice DP. In triangle BME and DMC, angle BME is equal to angle CMD, vertically opposite angle. Angle MCD is equal to angle MBE, alternate angles. BM is equal to CM. Therefore, both the triangles are congruent. Therefore, triangle BME is congruent to triangle DMC by AAS test of congruency. Therefore, BE is equal to DC, but DC is equal to BC, AB, opposite side of the parallelogram. Okay. Now, in triangle DCP and triangle EPA, first angle DPC is equal to angle EPA, vertically opposite angle. Angle CDP is equal to angle AEP, alternate angles. Therefore, both the triangles are similar by AA test of similarity. Therefore, sides are proportional. DC upon EA is equal to CP upon AP is equal to PD upon EP. Implies DC upon EA is equal to PD upon PE. Implies EA upon DC is equal to PE upon PD. PE is equal to PB upon EA. EA is equal to AB upon BE. PE upon PD is equal to EA. EA is AB plus BE and both are equal to DC. So 2DC upon DC. DC get cancelled. Therefore, PE is equal to 2PD. Hence, proved. In the given figure, shows a parallelogram ABCD. E is a point on AD and CE is produced BA to meet at F. AE is 4 cm, AF is 8 cm, AB is 12 cm. Find the perimeter of parallelogram ABCD. Given AF 8 cm, AB 12 cm, FB, therefore total length FB 20 cm. In triangle DEC and EAF, first angle DEC is equal to angle AEF. Angle AEF, vertically opposite angles. Angle EDC is equal to angle EAF AF alternate angles. Therefore, both the triangles are similar. Therefore, lines are proportional. DE upon AE is equal to EC upon EF. EC upon EF is equal to DC upon AF. DE upon AE is equal to DC upon AF. DC is equal to AB. So DE upon AE is equal to AB upon AF. Substitute the values. DE upon 4 is equal to 12 upon 8. DE is equal to 6 centimeter. So AD is equal to AE plus ED equal to 4 plus 6, 10 centimeter. Perimeter of a parallelogram ABCD is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. 12 plus 10 equal to 44 centimeters.